Go. Not you, Pooper. Hold on. You're not Pooper, are you, Austin? So you didn't have to pause, but that's okay. Ooh, what is that?
This is stank.
Digital counting money.
Awesome.
Oh, cool.
Oh, sweet. It counts when you put it in there. So you can know exactly how much you have.
Kind of cool.
Yeah. That'll help saving money for your Hapkido belts. And that was from Grandma Bert and Grandpa Bob.
Yep.
Alright.
Cool.
And now we go to Kinsey. Go. You need help with the tape? I think the answer is please.
Please.
Good job. Oh.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now be careful, there's probably crap all in there.
Yeah.
I mean, stuff wrapped in there. Ooh, what's that?
A first notepad. That's cool.
That is awesome.
Whoa.
What else is in there?
Another signet wrap.
Okay.
And one more. Okay, let me see.
Okay, well, let's open them. Well, we'll just throw that anywhere.
Well, I'm not even sure what it was. You just ejected out.
Just, what is it?
Hello Kitty watch.
Ooh.
That's kind of cool.
Well, she has been wanting a watch.
Well, there you go. Now you got a Hello
And
Kitty.
it even says with charm.
Wow.
All right, Goober, what else is in there?
A notepad.
Oh, cool.
Well, like you can have enough of them. You love them things.
So,
Ooh, and it'll stick on the fridge.
So you can be all fancy and stuff.
Yeah, you can write stuff like, Dear Austin, suck my butt.
okay, I'm not sure what these are.
Look
Some
like
kind of
little
sticker?
decal sticker things, don't they?
Oh no, they have this little cushy thing on it.
Oh, they're little poofy sticker things like Diana had.
Oh yeah.
They're pretty.
And what's that?
It's a sun catcher.
Ooh, pretty. You put that in the window.
That's pretty.
I'm sure there's stuff you gotta put on there, though.
Dimensional stickers.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why they're poofy.
That's cool.
Yeah.
And wow, I have a lot of stuff.
No stickers on my truck this time.
Yeah, please don't put stickers on the truck.
Okay.
What is that?
For her to take off.
More cookie stickers.
Sweet.
Wow. You got a whole collection.
And this time it has little hoops for earrings. And
That's
heels.
cute.
That's kind of cool.
And self-stick gems.
Ooh, more artsy fartsy crap.
Wow.
Wow.
They hooked you up. Ooh.
Another sun reflector. Well, sun catcher.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Don't worry, we have multiple windows to get sun.
Yes.
And icons.
Icon?
It's little more sticky gem things.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Icons is just the brand.
Okay. And official UFO list.
Woohoo! Kinsey's a UFO alien.
Sticker, 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 part of you.
That's cute. Hey, you just matched the picture. Good job.
Hey!
Well, you are a stinky girl.
That's out.
And Austin's a stinky boy.
That's out.
Don't throw the bag away.